ARGOS Labs was founded in 2017 in San Jose, California by Mr. Yang Kim and myself. Prior to starting ARGOS Labs, Yan and we have worked together for almost 10 years. We came up with some great ideas about enterprise process automation software, and finally in 2017, we've decided to start a new company. That's ARGOS Labs in the heart of Silicon Valley. Since the early days of computer software, we have seen many generations of new technologies that made computer programming easier and more intuitive than the previous generations. It started, of course, with machine language, assembly code. Then over time, it evolved to programming languages like BASIC and C. Now, all these technologies are coding technologies, and low-code is different, of course. As the name suggests, to make computer software, you don't have to code much. That's low-code. So using low-code, basically computer software or applications can be built by just putting together building blocks or modules without using coding much. I can tell you 3 things that make our solution unique. The first item is our user interface. We have been studying and designing our UI to fit best non-computer programmers, as opposed to someone who has been using text editors and multi-window screens and compiling and debugging, etc. Our UI is essentially just one screen and one screen only. It's just like Microsoft PowerPoint. It's very simple, very intuitive, and I am very proud that our team came up with this design. The second item is Python. You know, we're always compared against those RPA vendors, companies such as UiPath and Automation Anywhere, because our platform can be used to build and manage software robots. However, we are very different. While those RPA vendors are focused on solutions to automate some legacy systems, Windows apps, and other enterprise apps like SAP, our focus is to build the next generation of general software development platform. And that is a huge difference when it comes to setting the goals. You know, we are building upon the history of software evolution. So we chose to build it upon Python. And it's a natural choice because Python is viewed as the most advanced programming language today. You know, if you are trying to advance technology, if you're trying to advance the evolution, you have to choose to build your software over something that is at the top today. So that's Python. And also, Python is a choice by many artificial intelligence, machine learning solutions. So we are very well positioned having our solution built upon Python. This leads to the third differentiation factor we have. That is, our platform can support any of the 5 major computer operating systems today. We can support Windows, Linux, Android, iOS, and Mac OS. Because we're simply Python, and Python can work on all of them. One message I want to deliver to you is that none of my messages can really describe the powerfulness, potential, dreams, and visions, and all that we put into our solutions. Please visit our website. Please download the tools and install that to your laptop. You don't have to be a software engineer. You don't have to know how to program. You don't have to know how to code. You can immediately start playing with it, and you will see what we are trying to bring to the future world of software development.